Gyntaf, diolch am ymuno. Braf eich gweld chi. Firstly, thanks for joining. Nice to see you. Cyfres c03p16. Series Magic number 3. Unfed bennod ar bymtheg. The 16th episode. Misoedd. Months. Okay, so today's episode is all about months. And some of those words that I had in the introduction there was, we know cyntaf or cyntaf, which was first with one of the ordinals, and I'm saying it ungyntaf, so using it adverbially. Ungyntaf, firstly. Diolch am ymuno. Thank you for joining. So we know the first bit, but ymuno, Y-M-U-N-O, it means to join. So there you go. Brav means nice or fine. You might use it when you describe the weather or how you feel. Hyd, H-U-D, c03p16, magic number 3. I think that's the right context for using the word hyd, magic. I had a good look round, and that's what I've come up with for spinning a bit of magic on that, like De La Soul did. So, 3 is the magic number. Yes, it is. Unfed bennod ar bymtheg. Okay, usual thing going on there. Unfed is 11. So it's, unfed 1 as an ordinal. So cyntaf is first, but unfed is how you use 1 as an ordinal further on for bigger numbers. So what we got there just popped off the window of it. Unfed bennod ar bymtheg. So bymtheg 15 as mutated after R, preposition R, soft mutation to bymtheg, and pennod has become bennod again because we're counting with it there, because we've got the definite article before it, so it's the something article. So that's what's made pennod become bennod. 16th bit. Though they're difficult, aren't they, these ordinals and numbers, lots of different varieties going on. There's quite a good logic to them all when you do get them. But they're tricky to pick up at first. So I'm going to keep going over them. They're used in other contexts as well. So we might need them again tomorrow, as you'll see. Tomorrow. Mystery. Surprise. On to today's words. Days of the month. Days of the month? Not days of the week. The names of the months. Ionawr is January. Chwefror, February. Chwefror. Mawrth for March. Mawrth. Ebrith for April. Ebrith. And then Mai for May. May. Mehefin for June. Gorffennaf for July. Gorffennaf. Awst for August. It's Awst. Medi is September. Medi. Hydref is October. Hydref. And then we have Tachwedd. Tachwedd is November. And Rhagfyr, December. Rhagfyr, December. So, yes, 6 of those, the first 5 of the year, and August, so January to May and August, all have names from Latin. They come from the Latin versions. And Aust is August. The English August comes from Augustus. So it's the big fella in Rome who liked croutons and parmesan on his lettuce. July is named after one of those fancy lettuce fellas, Julius Caesar. What else have we got here now then? So we have the word my can mean that as well in northern dialects, and it's replaced by tau in the south. But when it's my like that, it's a lowercase m, because it's always uppercase m when it's the month. But the word mis, that goes before a lot of these, normally we don't just say these words, yon, hour, etc. We say mis before it, unless we're doing a date, like the 13th of January, for instance. Then we would just have the month name. But in every other context, I think, we have mis in front of it. And that mis often changes to vis after some vis, m to an f, vis after some prepositions. And what else goes on? There's different things going on. It's all on the webpage. You don't want to keep saying that, get boring and stuff. So going on to today's story, and then I'll see how much time we have left. So, mis Ionawr, dechreuais ddefnyddio fy nyddiadur iaith Cymraeg newydd. In January, I started using my new Welsh language diary. My dydd music Cymru mis Chwefror. My the Welsh Music Day is in February. Yn cyntaf o Fawrth yw dydd Gwyl Dewi. The 1st of March is St. David's Day. Mae gan Ebrill ddiwrnod crempog. April has a pancake day. Mis Mai, mae'r Eisteddfod yr Urdd. In May, it's the Urdd Eisteddfod. Mae Gwyl Tafwyl mis Mehefin. The Tafwyl Festival is in June. Mis Gorffennaf, mae'r sioe fawr. In July, it's the big show. Mae Awst yn lwcus gyda'r Eisteddfod Genedlaethol. August is lucky with the National Eisteddfod. Mis Medi, rwy'n gweld gwyl ffilm ryngwladol Cymru. In September, I see Wales International Film Festival. Mae Calan Gaea ar ddiwedd mis Hydref. Halloween is at the end of October. Mae noson tan gwyllt nesa mis Tachwedd. The next fireworks night is in November. Ac yna mis Rhagfyr wrth gwrs mae'n Nadolig. And then, December of course, it's Christmas. Brilliant. So hopefully you're picking up some of those sentences. Hopefully my is sunk in now. Hopefully you're sort of guessing at a few uses of soft mutations. You know, oh yeah, I remember that one kind of thing. And you're remembering a lot of the words. So we've gone through the month names in there, and have we woven various other things in that we've learned as well. Hopefully you picked up the silent F there, gorffennaf. Okay, gorffen means to end or finish. Haf is summer, so it's the end of the summer, gorffennaf. But haf is a long A, and when it gets compounded onto gorffen to make gorffennaf, it becomes short. So I've noticed that them sort of things are happening. So I just thought I'd mention these patterns as I notice more. So there's some rules to these long and short. Oh, we're out of time. Ta-ra!